Hi, I'm Karen Sukney with another episode of Take 5 Video with Healthcare Packaging. McKinsey came out with a report not long ago that says consumers don't just want personalization, they demand it. COVID-19 and the surge in digital behaviors have raised the bar for all players in both offerings and in outreach. Now, beyond customized marketing communication, we've seen personalized skincare, hair care, and more as consumers look for more tailored products versus off-the-shelf options. This isn't easy for healthcare manufacturers who have spent decades producing large batch or blockbuster drugs. As Kim Overstreet recently wrote, shorter customized runs in healthcare can strain production capacity at legacy plants. One supplement company founder saw a way to use 3D printing to deliver personalized gummies that meet demand for tailored vitamins, going beyond what many would consider short runs to batches of just 28, a monthly supply. Melissa Snover is a registered nutritionist and founder and CEO of UK-based Nourished. She feels that the current industry standard for personalization, picking separate tablets and packing them together, isn't necessarily convenient, truly personalized, or sustainable. In 2020, Snover launched Nourished personalized vitamins and life stacks. 3D printers layer different mixes of active ingredients on top of each other to form a single product quickly, which is suited to the customer's individual requirements. The stacks encompass made-to-order vitamins and ingredient combinations that are sugar-free, vegan, allergen-free, and wrapped in home-compostable wrap. So how does this work? Customers take part in a quick 2-minute questionnaire which generates recommendations for 7 layers of nutrients out of a total 35 options that are best suited for the individual via a proprietary algorithm. Now, they landed on 7 nutrients in the Nourished stacks during product development. They found that the average consumer in the US and UK was taking between 5 and 8 vitamins and nutrients a day. Once the customer completes the quiz and they select their coating flavor from 6 options, including strawberry, pineapple, and cola, their personalized stack results are shown, displaying the 7 suggested nutrients. The colorful stacks are available both for one-time purchase and for longer subscription. As Snover explains, Nourished uses a proprietary 3D file and movement instruction file within the 3D printer. And this tells the printer what to create, how to move, and when to deposit the gummy material. They use fused deposition modeling and 7 print heads to create an industrial 3D printer capable of making a monthly supply of personalized supplements in just minutes. The machines utilize the normal X, Y, and Z axis with the addition of a 4-rotation axis together with an innovative plug-and-play cartridge retraction system. The production team picks the 7 cartridges containing the 7 active ingredients bespoke for a customer, loads these into the 3D printer, and then they create the stacks. They use 7 plastic-free food-grade syringes, which 3D print on rotation method, to encapsulate all the active ingredients without them destroying each other. Let's get into the supplements packaging. Nourished packages each stack in home-compostable flow wrap composed of wood pulp, personalized with the customer's name on it. Now, individual flow wraps can be absorbed into the ground in 32 weeks. They're certified with the TUV Home Compostable standard, and the ink used on the packaging is vegetal, i.e. water-based. The set of 28 pouches is then packaged in a paperboard carton. In this case, machine and packaging suppliers were not able to be shared. After launch, the company received customer feedback that they would prefer a smaller, more compact box. The team drafted up new packaging designed to still reflect that premium brand while still offering convenient deliveries and storage. They introduced this letterbox-friendly carton in May of 2020, which is made from at least 90% recycled paperboard. They researched to find an ethical supplier based in the EU to reduce greenhouse gas emissions during that package transport. A sleeve is only added to the outside of boxes in a retail environment to differentiate between different life stacks. Direct-to-consumer orders are placed inside the box only, without tertiary packaging, to help reduce the company's packaging and environmental impact. The team at Nourished is consistently working to adapt and gain efficiency, and this is made easier by the fact that their printers are manufactured in-house. Their printer farm they use to constantly build, optimize, and develop their hardware. When they came up with the concept of Nourished, there wasn't a manufacturing process available that would allow them to achieve the level of customization they wanted. So they spent about 18 months in R&D creating their own prototype. They also overcame some formulation challenges. Some of the raw ingredients to flavors are pretty difficult to mask, especially ashwagandha. So they did a lot of R&D on what natural flavorings would complement and mask that range of 35 different ingredients that they launched with. Manufacturing the products and printers in-house gives Nourished control over their own supply chain. This allows them to ramp up production, adapt based on customer feedback, and it'll also allow them to scale business into new markets and regions in the future. They currently market in the UK and US, and they have plans to expand in Europe. They continue to grow their list of sugar-free vegan nutrients they offer, and they're also growing their facilities with plans to open a new 20,000 square foot manufacturing site, their third in Birmingham, to increase production capacity by 1,000%. In their work with Colgate, the partners are teaming up to deliver stacks specifically for oral care. As Snover explains, there are some exciting partnerships, new ingredients, and product ranges launching soon. That's all for today, but see you next time at Take 5 Video for healthcare packaging.